So this is my paper aeroplane. I made it from Galt's Paper Planes paper. It's called the High Flyer, and the High Flyer goes for a long distance, and if you shoot it up, it will fly very high. And by the way, please subscribe the channel, and let's see what this thing can do. Welcome to my channel, Play and Smile. Today we are going to be making an aeroplane, a simple and easy aeroplane from Galt Paper Planes. I am getting my colorful sheet of paper from Galt Paper Planes. So let's get started. So our first step is to analyze what we want to show on the outside. I want to show this to the outside, so I flip this over. So our first step is to fold it in half like this, so we know where the middle is. You open it up, and now we fold it like this. And same on the other side. Our next step is to do it again, but we have to make it look like an arrow this time. And the same on the other side, so we can make it look like an official arrow. Our next step is to fold it in half like this. It look like this. Now we unfold it, but not fully, only till here. Same on the other side. And any paper is fine to make this. This part is optional. I'm just doing this to make it look cool, to make it look like a jet. We fold it like this. And there we have it. Look like this. Please subscribe and like my videos.